Umoja and Billy Tatu.
For the fruition of an African power, for the triumph of an African nationhood, we pledge to our African nation, to the building of a better people and a better world. Our total devotions, our total resources, and the total power of our mortal lives. We are the first and the last, the Alpha and the Omega. We pledge to think African, speak African, buy African, pray African, love African, live African, and be African. Because we are African. We do African things today to ensure us of an African tomorrow. Have a good learning day.
Stand up.
On the count of taxes, we'll say the 3 Harambe. The 7 Harambe. What does Harambe mean?
Pull together.
Umoja and Billy Tatu.
Hurrah!